Welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine now, friends. In this video, once again, I'm talking about the Shibano token. Will the Shibano price increase in the future or not? In this video, I will show you, friends. But before starting this interesting video, I request all of you that please subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos, friends. As you can see now on the screen, that is the technical analysis, and that is the price chart of the Shibano token. On the basis of technical analysis, on the basis of my personal research, we decide that will the price is goes upward or not in the future, friends. But before starting this interesting video, once again I request all of you that please subscribe now. Every Tech channel, subscribe is very important for all of you, friends. If you subscribe my channel, so I will update you every time from new cryptocurrencies news, which is very important for all of you, friends. Anyways, my friends, let's see the what will be the next and what's next for Shibano coin. You can see here it is hard to predict whether the currency will continue rising or whether a reversal will happen. Furthermore, we have seen many pump and dump schemes in the market before. Well, buying may be risky, shorting it may be even riskier because you can lose more money than you invested, friends. As I told you, my friends, in the previous videos, that a long-term investor absolutely can get a good amount of profit in the future. Personally, I'm holding 2.5 billion Shibano token, and I hope my plan is that I'm going to sell my Shibano token on the end of 2021 or in the start of 2022, friends. Anyways, friends, let's see more about the Shibano. Looking at the chart below, we see that the currency is attempting to the bounce back and is currently 17% above its low. These gains may continue as more retail traders jump in. This prediction will be invalidated if it falls below the today low of 0.00027 USD dollar, friends. Let's see, my friends, the price chart. You can see here that is the price chart of the Shibano. You can see, understand, as I told you in the previous week, in the previous weekend, the price is going down. You can see here that is the last 1 week pricing, and as you can see here now the current situation of the market. So in the previous week, the over and over falls continue in the Shibano token. If we see the average level change occur, so the average level price of the Shibano is going down, friends. But now if you look the previous time change occur in the Shibano, as you can see here in the previous quick jumps occur in the Shibano, and now if you look the current condition of the Shibano, once again the last 2 hours, the last 1 hours. So you can see here now at this time once again the Shibano start moving upward. So I think on the basis of this research, there is a lot of possibilities to they take a jump in the future, friends, and I'm 100% sure, I believe that the Shibano will give us good amount of profit in the last half 2021, friends, and especially for short-term investor. Now it's time to buy Shibano token, and when they, I think at this time the big something big is coming soon in the Shibano. So I hope that they can easily hit a 0.01 USD dollar, friends. Anyways, what's your opinion, what's your prediction about Shibano? Please also share in the comment box, and again I request you to please subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos.